Good day, my fellow traders. Welcome back to the channel, and today I bring another strategy that I have been trying for the past few months and found it to be really profitable. And for this, I know some of my viewers don't have laptops or computers to run paid trading bots I give for free on my YouTube channel. So I wanted to give a good strategy to those even only having a phone to make money, so it would really mean a lot if you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can help many other new views to be profitable, so without wasting any time. Let's begin. This strategy isn't not only for scalping but also to catch spikes. Let me show you how simple it is, but always remember to use technical analysis to check if the market is an uptrend or downtrend in the 5-minute chart or 15-minute. Just then you can now start trading in the 1-minute time frame. And this strategy works on all boom and crash markets, including 1,000, 500 and 300, so we can have multiple entries in a day. So how do we find a spike? For crash, whenever the green and white line touches the 90 level over here, you should sell, as it indicates that a strong reversal, so a spike happens. Let us look at some examples. Over here you could see it touched, and then what happened? A spike happened. Let's look at another example. Touched over here and spike, and this trade alone took about 10 candlesticks. And if we check for another example from a backtest, as you can see it touched to 90 level before a spike happened. This is very accurate, as this tells you to enter a spike beforehand, and please don't enter a trade it didn't touch the 90 level. How about boom 1000? We do the opposite. When the white and green line touched, you should expect a spike, so buy. Let us look for examples, like over here it touched the 20 level and there was a spike just after the candle. And do the same for boom 500, as you can see the green and white lines touched in the 90 level and a spike occur. And as you can see, this entry gave us 3 spikes, which is about 20 candlesticks within 3 minutes, and this could have doubled your account depending on your lot size. And if you know how much 20 candlesticks is, and if you went on the crash 500, I just do the same thing as crash 1000. If you see the white and green line touch the 90 level, you should expect a spike. Same goes for crash 300. When the lines touch the 90 level, expect a spike, so you sell in. For boom 300, you wait for the green and white lines to touch the 20 level, you should expect a spike, so you buy, just as we did in boom 500 and boom 1000. You can see that this strategy helped us get 5 spikes, but please you should take 1 because that's about 10 candles on average, so please don't be greedy. Remember, I told you should look at higher time frames to look for the trend, and you should do it to all boom and crash indices or markets. A trick is to look at the 5-minute or 15-minute and look for the same confirmation where the green and white line you touch the level. Do the same thing for crash markets where the lines touch the 90 level. This tells you a strong change is going to happen and a spike will occur. That's when you enter a trade. Please don't be greedy and only take 1 spike, cause it is equal to 10 candlesticks on average, and that is more than enough. Now for my favorite part is how do we scalp. All of you might be wondering what the red line is for, and I will tell you how simple it is used. Now let us look at the boom market. Every time the red line and white line crosses between the 90 and 70 level, you should enter a sell and take 6 to 10 candlesticks in boom 1000. And for boom 500, do the same thing where the red and white line crosses between the 90 and 70 level, collect 5 candlesticks, and spikes occur more often. Apply the same rules for boom 300 and take 3 candlesticks, only because it is a volatile market. Now let us go on crash 1000. For crash, just do the opposite, where the cross should be between the 10 and 30 level, then enter a buy and take 6 to 10 candlesticks for crash 1000. In trading, you will learn to be disciplined and not be greedy, cause with this strategy you will see 20 entries to 30 entries a day. So if you took at least 10 trades with a lot size that makes $5 each trade, you will make $80 to $100 a day, which is around $7,000 every week. How can we complain with this amount? So please don't be greedy. Now for the settings of the strategy. The first indicator is the relative strength index. Make sure you pause the video to get all the settings. The period is 7. Apply to close. These are the levels. Make sure you pause. Then the style is black. The next one is the moving average. The period is 3. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close. And finally the style is 0. Our final indicator is the average directional movement index. The period is 14. Style is black. Plus D1 is green and plus D2 is red. That is all for my strategy, and if you still didn't understand or need more of in depth, I will make a part 2 and just restart the video if you don't understand. That is all, and thank you all for watching till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free, and you can always change your mind.